Hello shopkeeper, we would like to buy some fruits and vegetables.
Welcome to my grocery store. Would you like a basket?
Yes, we'd like a basket. We need to buy some shopping. Yay! Oh, thank you. Here you go, Anaya. Okay, lots of yummy food. Let's see what we can buy, Anaya. Ooh, I think she wants some milk. Yes,
she likes some egg.
Would you like an egg? Yes, I think she would like an egg. What else would you like, Anaya?
I like this one.
Ooh, cabbage. Let's get some vegetable soup. Delicious vegetable soup. Yeah, yummy. What else, Anaya? Let Anaya get something and put it in the basket. Yeah, let's get some food. Want to buy some vegetable soup? I think Anaya wants to buy orange juice as well. Here, orange juice. Put it in the basket. Would like to buy orange, a banana, and let's buy some cornflakes. Yeah. Is there anything else we've missed from the shopping today?
Aubergine.
Aubergine. Oh, thank you. And can I buy some digestive biscuits?
Yeah.
Delicious. Thank you. Yeah, we bought some shopping. Let's go and pay for these.
Yeah.
Hello shopkeeper, can we pay for our food?
Yeah.
Thank you. Here we go. Is that the last one, shopkeeper?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. How much is that? Thank you very much. How much do we owe you, shopkeeper? Wow, is that £33? Yay, okay, can I pay? Anaya wants to pay with her credit card. She'd like to pay £20 on the card and she'd like to pay the rest in change with her coins. There we go. Here, money. That's the card and that's the change. Can I have my change, please? And my card, thank you. Hey, Anaya. Thank you, we've got our change. And can we have our shopping, shopkeeper?
Yep. Just trying to look it.
Thank you. Can we have our shopping?
No, it's not.
Thank you very much. Yay! Let's go home and have some food. Bye, Amani. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, Anaya. Thank you for visiting my shop. Come next time. Bye.